In this video, how to fix this error when installing Windows 11. Because I am installing Windows 11 on unsupported hardware, I added some registry entries to bypass the requirements. In my case, the issue occurred because I mistakenly created string value registry entries instead of dword values. To fix it, restart the computer and boot from the USB boot device again. Now, press Shift plus F10 or Fn plus Shift plus F10 to bring up the command prompt window. Press Alt-Tab to switch to the command prompt window. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to the following key and create the labconfig subkey. Finally, create 4 dword values and set each one to 1. Once done, close the registry editor and command prompt and continue the installation. As you can see, the error is gone, and we can install Windows 11 normally on unsupported hardware. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.